I'm going to revise once what are we discussed so far. Okay, so just only the titles and how to tell those answers also. Of course, I have there's some question pattern is also there. I already shared all questions and answers, and the questions also I already shared to your batch. So please check once. This is the one. Okay, guys, the first part of this thing is about your personal questions. We are already discussed this thing. So what you do today, so what are the people, so okay, so compulsory go through all your personal based questions. Okay, what is the topics here covered in technical basics of PC hardware, operating system, networking, basic service desk basics. Okay, like that. So you have to what are the topics you are completed, and about your technical skills. You have any special technical means? Special means the additional technical other than this technical training plus this technical training plus you are already learn certain things. Some people learn MCS, CCNA, or Red Hat, or maybe Python, maybe DevOps, maybe cloud computing, right? So which topic you learn, so you can also tell. So in a again knowledge level, guys, basics, intermediate, and advanced level. For example, if I have to tell right about a cloud, so basics of cloud. I know cloud basics. I don't have a advanced knowledge in a cloud technology. I have a basic knowledge, entry level knowledge in a AWS, Azure, kind of stuff, right? So I have to tell this is my basic level knowledge. So like that. Because if I said I know cloud means you know everything about a cloud. So there will be a question in a little depth. Next one, guys, always know basic questions. Like you said, I know Java. Then definitely Java based questions will be there, right? And a very basic level also very important. Like what Java version you use. A lot of people don't know what is the answer. Even a Java person learn course outside. Okay? They don't know what is Java version. Like how to check Java version also they don't know. Okay. Java 8 is there, Java 9 is there, Java 11 is there. What is JDK? What is JRE? Okay, what is JVM? What is Java C? It's not C, C++. Java C is a compiler, right? So everybody Java means first they will prepare for a whoops. Four names are there. They will read the four names and they will went for an interview. If interviewer will ask this type of questions, problem, right? So not only this, whoops also important and this is also important. Bully what you are telling at a time of interview, please concentrate on basics. Basic points only. Okay, basic points only. If you have a doubt, so search in a Java basic questions, Python basic questions. Based on what technology you have, already have, what are the things you are going to tell at the time of interview. So, for example, going for an interview on Python. We didn't get that. My voice is breaking. I think my internet speed is also okay. So better to test once internet speed. So here is a question. Why I'm testing my internet speed, my voice is breaking. Point is, my voice has to reach you by internet only. Through internet only it is reaching, right? So if internet is not good, not having proper bandwidth, obviously the signal transmission is also damaged. Okay, my internet is good. Mic is so I cannot do anything. Okay, so what about, okay, so what are the things? For example, if I'm telling at the time of interview, I know Python. Okay, I'm going to tell tomorrow to interview, I'm going to tell I know Python. Alright, I know Python basics. So what I have to do? I have to go through all basic points of Python. Alright, interview questions in Python. Okay, basic interview questions in Python. Any way you can search it. Interview questions. Python. Okay. So what kind of questions they will ask? So what is that they will asking? What is the difference between a list tuple, a set dictionary? Okay. What are the key features? What type of language? Who invented? What is PEP 88? What is how memory managed in Python? So it is EduReka is providing 100 plus questions on Python. Okay. Interview is providing the some questions. Java T point also providing certain over the very advanced level questions. How to write a Boto 3 program. So don't require that is Boto 3 we use in a AWS Lambda function. We don't use it, right? So we don't mind about it. Okay. So how to do this math plotting kind of stuff. Okay. A panda, numpy, if you're not in that one, so no need to do that one. So you can tell simply, sir, we didn't do that one. We'll learn only basics. Okay. But important is, guys, what you know, what you are telling, I know it. You must know about it. You must know about it. That is very important. Okay. Skill is important. Expression of skill is very, very important. Okay. That is rate yourself in a technical knowledge. How much technical part you know in that particular part, or maybe technology. I'm very good with this particular technology, like that you can do it. About a service desk and why you choose service desk. Okay, why you choose service desk? What is the? Do you know what is the role of service desk? Okay, like that, guys. As a freshers, so you like to go for this profile, like it is a good for a freshers. It is a very good entry level in the IT organization. So, like whatever it is you have to tell more positive way about it. If you are belongs to a CSC IT background, so then they will ask questions. So why you choose this service desk? You can choose our software development or another profile. So common question, guys, there is a common questions. You can start as a fresher, so this is a good opportunity. Not even it is not a less opportunity, it is also good opportunity. We work for 2 years, 3 years. So that is a fast growing in any profile. It is fast growth is there. Okay, we can learn a lot of things as a fresher. So like that, we can tell some answers also. Okay, more positive way and practice answering, guys. What are the answer you are telling? You have to practice before, not that they say they interview. Okay, so you have to practice, keep practicing. Then only we can tell clearly. That too, these type of questions not having any direct answers, right? If you search in a Google, also don't find any answers. You can search, but you don't find any proper answer for that. Okay. So like that. So you are not a CSE background, not a CSE IT background. So you are belongs to mechanical, civil, or electrical, electronics background, or some other background. Okay, BCom, BSc background. So then, so they just why you choose this IT field. Same thing. IT field not required any dependent qualifications. So we need a graduation, that's enough, more than enough to enter into the IT organization, right? So first we have to understand, don't tell that kind of stuff here there. So tell that is IT is a fast growing industry always, okay, lot of opportunities. Okay, so as our skill develop, that many opportunities will be, we can get in a IT sector. And don't tell negative about your, for example, I am from mechanical. Okay, actually I am from ECE. Okay, for example, I am from mechanical, so I should not say mechanical do not have opportunities. So every field having an opportunity, but comparatively, IT has a more opportunities, and I'm very much interested in this IT related work. Very passionate about it. And you deal with your pressures, what you do in free time. Okay, if you don't get hired for a service, then what you will do it? If you get hired, means job is means in this interview, if you are not getting selected, what you do? So don't say anything, guys, for that one. So actually, don't cry. First of all, don't cry. Don't say any odd answers, kind of stuff. Okay. So tell very simple. I will try another. Yeah, tell me. Okay. So if you don't get hired, then don't tell any odd kind of answers. Don't cry there. Okay. So don't tell some different answers. Just give one a second and then tell like this more positive way. Like I will prepare more. I will practice more. I will keep learning. Then I will try next. Okay. That's the only simplest answer. Okay. So always we'll keep going on. So it is, if you don't get this opportunity, it does not mean you are useless, right? So you have another opportunity. Maybe you have to improve much better than now. Okay. So yes, till yesterday I have these technologies. That is not enough. Then I will add one more technology, one more technology. One, keep learning, keep speaking. Then so we'll get more confident. Okay. Keep practicing always. We'll go for a next level. Okay, so that's the simplest point. Always pause to answers, guys. Remember that practice before you think about your project. How many number of team members are there who worked in your project? Means, for example, 5 members are working in project. Tell 5 members names. What is your role in that project? All the story only. You don't need to tell all these things, but your selection is very importantly based on communication skills, right? So ask, your mentally should prepare for tell the relevant answer. They won't come and check you all your answers, right? So they will ask a question. They will ask a question. You have to tell answer for that. Prepare for that. Used in this project. Okay. So what is your role in that project? Okay. So what is your importance in that project? Don't say like I sit there and one of my friend completed a project. I got a good score in that one. Like have done my project. My friends got a good score. Those don't know what is it. What do you do in your free time? So don't say backwards things, but you can tell you give support to your parents, or you do learn some technology related. If you have already learned some technologies, already given free links. So where do you learn kind of stuff? Okay, free kind of stuff. So please go through that one. If you have any previous experiences about what is your experiences, what technology you learn, whether it is relevant or irrelevant, So you can speak about it. Otherwise, no need to do it. Sometimes people are having a gaps, 18 pass out, 19 pass out, people are having a gap. So how you cover up that gap means you don't do work for last 2 years, then why you are not working from last 2 years? Luckily, we have from 2020 to 2021 means 2020 year and 2021. 2 years Corona time, but this is 2022, no Corona time. Okay, so you already may get a job in this year by January, February, at least by March, April kind of stuff, right? So how you cover up? What is the other aspects you are facing currently? Not required completely true, but don't say sympathetical answers. Means like very sad kind of stories. Don't okay. If it is true, no problem. But no, I'm not liking that like this. If it is true, something like you are affected with infection, or in your home someone got severely got a pollen, that is okay. That is I'm not. I'm. But some people wantedly tell a sad story, very dependent story kind of stuff. So leave like that. Tell them simply I'm facing this kind of issue, or maybe some home support related or a business, my father business support. Okay, so like that. Okay, are you preparing from other job move on to the next level? So instead of waiting for one thing, like that also you can tell answer. Okay, you are preparing for government job for the last 2 years. What is the latest technology you are interested in? Yeah, tell me. What is latest technology you are interested in learning? So you know latest technologies, right? So currently data science is there, machine learning, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, DevOps kind of stuff is there. So which one is more interested? Why you want to learn? Why you want to learn those technologies? And did you start anything, or did you find any course relevant? Okay, so find out those things also. Okay, some people told answer like I do love traveling, like a hobby. Okay, so then there is a counter question is there. So if you do love traveling, so what is the recent place you are visited? I do love traveling. I didn't visited any place very recently. Okay, so some very less places I visited, but I have to tell something as a new place. Any about the place also you have to tell what is visited. I have visited. I told I visited Goa, but I never went to the Goa. Then, so if we ask question, what do you find in Goa? It's difficult to answer, right? So tell a proper regular answer. So okay, so prepare an answer for that one also. Okay. Apart from Microsoft Office, what are other apps you are used? So you know Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Other than that one, any application you know? Okay, whether it is related to your work, means like a mechanical softwares or electronic softwares are there. Okay, or maybe a graphics related softwares. So different kind of softwares are there, right? So apart from Microsoft Office, do you know like virtualization related softwares are there? Okay. Why should we hire you? So three qualities are important. Okay, so why we should hire you is, guys, if you search in Google, so service desk analyst, job description or roles and responsibilities. Okay, so what is the service desk analyst and who is a service desk analyst? Okay, what are their job description? Find out their job descriptions and what are the things they should have, the technical stuff. So they should basically, I'm telling directly, This is all normally telling, but job description qualities. These are the basic qualities. So 2-3 times we will get that one. So what are the good service qualities required? So here also you can go for it is you should have a technical and system expertise like a networking requirement. Active Directory means server related knowledge is also requirement. Like you have a cloud knowledge or maybe a Python knowledge or a Jira or a service now administration knowledge. Okay, any technical. So these are the tools, but technology related things. So technical knowledge is okay. So technical and system expertise required. Computer skills. I know everything, but I don't know computer means not good, right? Basic computer skills are required. Customer support, problem solving, and troubleshooting abilities are required. Okay, communication, good communication. So both verbal communication and means oral communication, and as well as the text message type of communication, mail communication. These are also required. Okay, time management, timely you should work on the work, finish the work. Okay, teamwork and collaborations. So work with the team, that is also very good importance, essential skills for a technical service desk analysis, guys. So you have to tell like what are the qualities you have to work in this particular service desk, or why should we hire you. So then why a candidate should be hired should have a proper communication skills, understanding issues, problem solving skills, collaborations and teamworks. Okay, collaboration and teamwork, computer skills, and other technical skills like a networking basics. Okay, like that. So, okay, fast learning, fast way of learning. I can learn fast any tool. I can easily learn fast. Okay, good in verbal communication skills, oral communication, and written communication skills I have. Okay, so these are the qualities you should have to get selected in a job, right? So that is a point. Do you know what profile you have been chosen, right? So what profile you are chosen is a trainee analyst or a desktop service desk analysis, help desk analysis. Okay, so what profile it is? So search in a Google what profile you are do for it. If you have done any certification means global certification, guys, ITL certification, CCNA, MCS, Red Hat certifications, AWS certification, Azure certifications are there. The certifications are two types as you think, okay? So that is, one is the global certification, means the organizations provide a certification program that is you are qualified to work in their technologies. Means you get a certificate from Microsoft, you'll get a certificate from Cisco for CCNA, CCNP, like that. Okay, so you are get certificate from Red Hat organization to, if you write their examination, they will give you a certificate. AWS, you write a AWS participation certificate. Okay, then you will receive a certificate from AWS. That is a global certification. Course certifications. Course certification. What is course certification? For example, you join in a course like a EduReka, you join in a course completed. So they'll put a one test or may not be test. They'll give you one kind of certificate, that is you completed this masters in data science certificate. That is a course completion certificate. It is does not have any validity. University based certificate, that is also you completed a course, you written an examination, university provide a certificate. For example, Liverpool University is there, IIT Bangalore, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Kharagpur. So different universities are there. So if you complete their courses or certification courses, you will get it. So what any kind of certificate you have to tell them properly you have a what certificate. Because last time I have taken an interview for a freshers, they said we have a certified in AWS. I didn't check what kind of global certificate it is. Ask some basic question, they are unable to tell because of I think they have done certification course from third party institute. So the institute came, they given a information. Once they are completed, they given a participation certificate. Okay, so they don't know the very basic level also. Okay, global certification is different. For writing a global certification, you have to read lot of material, lot of dumps. You have to write an examination. By the time you will get at least more than 50 to 60, 70% knowledge you will get it. Because the scoring is minimum 70% in global certification. In college, scoring is 40%, right? 35 to 40%. In global certification, it is 70% minimum, 70, 80% minimum you have to get. Okay, I have written Microsoft global certification, ITL global certification. Okay, so minimum is 70% score. ITL is more, ITL 80% something is there. Okay. Future goals. So you have to prepare your what are the future goals you have. Okay, future goals about my strengths. Okay, kind of future goal, guys. Worst thing is nowadays you have to tell like from so many years the future goals always positive about a professional work. Everybody having their unique future goals are there. Okay, for example, my future goal is about to settle in a life. Okay, have some good family, or maybe have some own house kind of stuff, or maybe I should have my own car in my future goals. Okay, maybe I will be like a roaming around the world. That is my future goal. Maybe I will go different countries to teach technology. That is my future goal. So, like maybe in future goal, I want to become certain level. Like I want to become this senior is automatically experienced. Senior will be there, but technology expert wise, or want to become a data center administrator. I want to become a management related kind of stuff, HR related kind of stuff. Okay, future goals. Where do you want to see yourself in 5 years, 10 years? Long-term goals, short-term goals. You have to prepare proper answer for that one. About strengths, weaknesses, guys. Always keep your one unique strength and at least one unique weakness also. Weakness is also important. Okay. As per IT, weakness is very important. Guys, weakness never be a really weakness. It means your parents are not weakness. Your parents are not strength also. It is all about your unique mentality. My strength is I'm willing to learn. I will finish the job, whatever it is happen. So I'm trying to finish my work. Okay. So my strength is like willing to learn. Learning is my strength. So by learning and doing, so I can able to finish any job, any work. I can try and complete it. Collaborations, very less collaboration. Weakness, of course, one of the thing is I can work with team and as well as solely. That is also a good point. With the team and as well as the solo. Next one is in weakness is also not your parents or girlfriends or any friends. That is not a weakness. Weakness is somewhat maybe it is again your mentality. It is your weakness. Okay. So for example, my weakness is I keep digging till completion of work. Okay. I will keep digging. So this is completed. So I'll keep working on, so to till the finish of work. That is actually strength. But what is their problem with that one is it take little bit time, extra time. So I have to complete by 10 hours. Then maybe it will take 11 or 12 hours. So time taken. Okay. What do you know about Microsoft? What do you learn in a lockdown? Do you have learned anything in lockdown time? Okay. Can you able to work in a even a festival time? This is a very important, guys. So usually, as per company norms, you will get a 10 days of calendar events. Calendar based on the calendar, 10 days is there. Okay. Next, works are in a shift mode. Works are weekly 5 days work is there. Okay, weekly 5 days work is there. Sometimes, sometimes that is your favorite festival, but that day is your working day. So what you do? You have to work, guys. Because organization, you need a support for an organization, you have to work. That is very simple. Because festivals comes this year, next year also festivals are there. Events will occur to year this next year we also it will occur. Even for this interview also, some people, sir, tomorrow is an interview, please reschedule it. That is a organization, they schedule an interview on this particular day, means you must attend. Whatever it is happened, you must attend. Okay. It is not like that we are slavery to that kind of opportunities or we'll go and get another opportunity. It is not like that, guys. It is important is you are important. Very important person is you. In English language is also one of my friend one day, he told me that is, okay. So why I is a first person in English, I is a first person, next is you, then he, she, it is a third person singulars, right? So why I is a first person? Because you are a first, I am a first person. For me, I am the first person. Remaining people are second persons only, or third persons. You have to succeed. You have to be in a position. Everybody is happy if you are succeed. Okay, so it is much better than any other things. Okay, yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Tell me.
Yeah, sir. I had a question different from the slide that you are telling us. Uh,
Yeah,
can I ask?
ask me. Ask me.
Yeah, sir. Once I was asked in an interview, like if there's a difficult situation in your family, and
Yes,
then you go, it's yeah, it's necessary that you have to go, and there's a project deadline for the company.
very
So
good.
yes, so what will you do? So what should be the answer?
Actually, that is a hypothetical answer. That's the questions are called a hypothetical. I have heard this question also. So that is a in your family's difficult situation. You have to be attend in that situation. Okay, and you have to go to company. Okay, so how to deal like a compulsory? It is if you don't do this particular one, there is a huge loss for organization. Not only a project deadline, it is huge loss.
Yes, sir.
Okay, huge loss like you have to attend. Best example is one of our vice president is a peers sir is there. So our employees, our sir Ravan sir and all will tell this kind of situation. Even Ravan sir is also in that part, means is a situation is also he faced Ravan sir and peers sir. Mostly they face this kind of situations. So one day peers sir like. The days his marriage, he got married, and some situation happened. There is some data center issues occur at his company. The same day he left to office. He went to the office to deal with the situation. So morning is his marriage, and he after marriage completed, he taken a cab and went to the office. It is purely depends upon the person. Okay, it purely
But
depends.
what will happen if, like, if the interviewer really pushes that you have to either you can attend your family or the company's project. So what should be the answer?
Yeah, that is purely depends upon you. Depends upon what is your focus. There is no right, there is no answer, no wrong. Because of if you said, for me, my office is important, that is wrong. For
Yes,
family only important, that is also wrong.
yes, sir.
That's why it is called a hypothetical questions. If you choose any answer, either it is wrong or right only. Okay. So it depends
so,
upon a situation, how you manage, both the sides. So that is you'll deal.
so the
Okay.
point is that situation should be specific if we have to
Yeah.
answer this question.
In a certain specific situation, for example, one of my sister's friend, colleague actually. So what happened? His son severely sick, completely. He's
Yes.
on a hospital bed. So he went to the hospital. He entire night he spent with his son. Okay, entire night he is in the hospital. Sorry, he is in the hospital with his son and working also.
Okay.
The next day, family people said, if you are working like that, because your work is more important than your family, okay, why can't you such a relaxable work? Okay, so please, what do you want to do? Then do decide next. He quit the job. Okay,
Okay.
sometimes it is need certain sacrifices either way. Okay, because of companies may not be there, guys. Very important. One guy when I was traveling so then I met one guy. He told me important work is your company is company. That's it. You are not a owner of company. First of all, you are a working in an organization. Okay, he's paying for your work. He's paying for your work. Your colleagues are colleagues while you are working. That's it. Okay. Very important is you are important. Your family, whatever you are looking after your family, that is the permanent one, right? So organization, you are joining today one organization, tomorrow you are switching. Maybe your organization having some losses, they'll cut you out. Maybe organization is closed, right? And not always it is same. But there is a responsibilities. Always the responsibilities are important. Okay. So not always few things are excusable. For example, as I said earlier, festival. For example, tomorrow is a holy festival, or maybe what is upcoming one? Christmas. Okay. Upcoming festival is a Christmas festival is there. Some people for them it is very important. Some people it is excusable. They have to decide which one is correct one. Okay. Some people, relatives are very important. Yes, of course, very important, guys. As a young age, I am telling, you are all younger, very younger compared to me. Okay. At this age, my point is, okay, tomorrow is a interview or tomorrow is a test. And maybe tomorrow you have to join an organization. But there is a certain function in home, very important function. Not in a death situation, but if it is an important function. If you are there, your friends, family members will happy. But you are not attending an interview. You have to set job again, right? You have to do things again. You have to wait for that one. If you skip this function and attend, or you skip this, in a home there is a holy rituals are there. Like maybe you have to go to namaz, or maybe you have to go to church, or maybe you have to go to temple that day. Even I'm including that one also. But if you go to the interview, you selected, you got a job, your family members, your friends are more happy about you. Next time, if they go anywhere, what your son is doing, what is your daughter is doing, is working in some organization. Okay. So if your presence make them happy, but your success make them very, very happy. Okay. Even why I'm including the rituals, right, religious related, because God never pull you back. God don't then say, no, no, first prayer me, then go next. You do your work next. First, my prayer is important. And then the God never told us, right? Because if you don't do your duty, that is the next not good thing. Means what I'm not saying wrongly. I'm saying you are succeeded. That is will go do much better next kind of stuff. Okay, so that's make more happy, right? That is my point. And that is another hypothetical question, guys. Is asking very important question. You are facing a very serious situation at your home or at your family, and you have to come to the office. Depends upon the situation, so you will decide. Not always the office is important. That is wrong. Not always family is important, because already I told strength and weaknesses. Never tell your strength is your family or your weakness is your family. So that is not your strength. That is not your weakness. That is you. You will decide what to do. Okay.
Thank you.
Of course. Yeah.
I said thank you. I got my answer.
Okay. Yeah. But there is a solution. Guys, lot of people want to act solely. Like I am handling this entire data center, entire infrastructure, entire delivery management. I am the responsible person. They never share the information to any of their juniors or colleagues. In this situation, whatever that is happened, he has to attend there in the organization, right? He has to run to the company in this situation. No other choice. But if you share to someone, either it is your junior or maybe is another colleague or maybe another person who is same role, like you are a delivery manager and there is another delivery manager. Okay, so you're in the organization, you share information in the organization. You are telling this is the way of process. You open up and telling and running in a plain surface. If you are unable to attend, at least someone will be there. At least someone will manage till you are coming to office. That's a team and collaboration. Okay. I think this is a connected point, guys. That's why this is the question is there, because of you may see in colleges also, maybe in any working place, someone will hide everything. No, no, why you are work asking? I will take care of it. What happen if the person is dead? No one knows what is going on information, right? That is important. Sharing is very important. Process, open process is important. That's why nowadays these DevOps and all is coming, right? You know, Jira, ServiceNow, these tools are become very famous because of whatever the issue is there, everybody knows in the team. Everybody knows what is the issue, what is the testing is going on, what is completed, what is not completed, why it is more open to all the team members, because any issues occur, no one will take care of solely. Solo work is will dangerous to the organization. Okay. Some people will hide everything. Some people will take care of everything. They want to grow up in the organization. So they will tell, I am the whole responsible. So whenever they're not sharing, that is, whenever they're in the situation, this kind of situation, it is like a death situation or kind of stuff. Maybe a manager is went to a hospital. He's unable to speak anything. Entire company is collapsed, right? not only your family. He's in hospital, then what is happen? No one knows what to do. Right? That is the point here, extraction point from here. So what is the kind of answer? We cannot decide between the family and work, depends upon the situation. But more importantly, in the organization, we share information. Our team is are able to do the entire work. The team is able to do the entire work, so they can manage even if I'm unable to attend. So even my team can, I will make the team as to do my work also. So they will do it. My work means not as a same, but they will manage. Okay. So then I will within my direction. So that is also one of the thing. One important, okay, because I got this one, guys. Why nowadays full stack developers are become more popular? Okay, even upgrade advertisement is there. No, there is a full stack developer. One person is there. Please save him. Leave remaining people. Why? Why full stack developer is very important nowadays? Because all phases of development life cycle can able to handle by one single person. Okay, can handle by single person, and the entire team knows every work, each and every work, process of work. Okay, that is why it is very important. Very big story I told. If you understand, good. If not understand, it's okay, no problem. Okay, sharing, teamwork, collaborations, documentation is very important, guys. Because of, if you are not there, even that itself, a company has to go on. The employee is not there, company has to go on, right? That is very important. That's a documentation. Even you are doing any changes, change management, event management, or service request, whatever you do it, what are the changes you done, what are the things, like you can see GitHub, maybe some people having an idea, Git and GitHub. So any changes occur also, it stores in the history, right? The documentation is important. So everyone knows in the organization what is happening. Okay, what is happening. So that's the thing. Challenging situations in your life. Any challenging situations are there? So you can tell them. If it is there in life, I don't feel any challenge. Very big challenge in this. Not even that much small, very small. Yeah, you can create it if in case you don't have a challenging situation. You can create one any relevant situation, challenging situations. Okay. Don't say challenging situation means cooking situations or okay, toilet cleaning situations. Don't say that kind of stuff. Okay. What is your difficult situation in your life? Okay, if you have, then tell, otherwise create it, no problem. If you win $1 million, that is a dollar kind of stuff. Because of in US, that is a common question. Because of $1 million means it is around 50 to 70 lakhs rupees. Not almost like a 7 crore rupees. Okay, $1, $1 million means for us it is a 10 lakhs. Okay, if you got 10 lakhs, do you work in HCL? 10 lakhs is nothing. You cannot buy a one house also. You can buy a car in 10 lakhs. Okay. You can pay advance per house. Even if you go to village also by 10 lakhs, you don't buy a 1 BHK house nowadays. Okay. So if you win 1 million, so that is 30%, 40% will go for taxes only. Okay. So situation is, if you win a 1 million means that is in the dollars wise. 1 million. Million means 10 lakhs. Okay, 10 lakhs. In US, 1 million means it's a huge money. In India, in 10 lakhs means it is normal money. Even that is also huge. That is not make you quit a job. In US, if you got a 1 million, you can quit a job and you can start your own business. Okay. So with 1 million in rupees, you can start one pan dabba. That's it. Not more than that. Sure. Okay. So about your weakness, any entrepreneurship is there about what you want to become. I want to become bigger. Passing out year, which year pass out? What are you doing after passing out year? Okay, score and percentage. Remember your score. Okay, nearest location you prefer. That is normal question only. They don't give any nearest location. It depends upon the opening guys. Never fix to any location. Only thing is, so yep, you can think a prefer location, but if you don't get it, also no problem because of when you are working in a MNC, multinational companies, your organization can be anywhere. Within India, so many branches, or it can be outside. Also, it can be there, right? Outside of India, is can be possibilities there. So the location does not matter because if you take Hyderabad, so many people from India and around the world also people are coming here and around India at least like you can go to Nagpur, okay, Nagpur, UP, a lot of places from Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Lot of people are working in Hyderabad. In Bangalore, lot of people, not people mostly prefer this Bangalore locations. Okay. You can go to Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Tamil Nadu means the main city is Chennai, okay, or Coimbatore, or maybe uh, Kerala also places are there. Okay, so a lot of north to south people coming. So south people also going to this Noida, okay, Delhi, Kolkata. So people don't want to change their base location with the different reasons. But as a fresher or experienced guys, if you start roaming, then you will go. Do you have any experience part? I think all personal based questions I covered. Okay, these are the basic question, guys. Every question there will be an answer, so you have to pre-prepare some kind of answers. Even your past experience questions are there, like as we has. That is also important question because that kind of hypothetical questions do not have any proper answer. But you can search proper answer, not correct answer. I'm not telling correct. You can search some answer. Okay, answer can be wrong or right. It is not the right answer. Wrong answer is not there. Okay, it is the expression of answer. What you decide. What are you want to do it? Where do you see yourself in 10 years? How you know after 10 years you are alive or dead? So don't tell that kind of answers. You have to tell some hope, goals, visions, goals. What is your goal? What is your vision? What is your mission? How you reach this particular level. So every question there is a answer. Every answer has a there is a connected question. Again, I'm telling every question has an answer. Every answer has a connected question is there. Okay, you have to prepare like that. Then only it is better for you to speak up. Okay, not everyone knows how to speak in communication. 100% good communication skills. Very less people are there. They are become speakers. That's it. Okay, guys, it is required a practice. Either it is technical or a communication, need a practice. Okay, that's the point I am trying to say. Okay, I will tell some random technical questions today. So that's after small break. Take 10 minutes of break. Okay, I will give you some random technical questions.